In today's video, I will walk you through how to reopen closed tabs in Microsoft Edge. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge and make sure the browser window is active. The fastest way to reopen a closed tab is with a keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus T. On Mac, press Command plus Shift plus T. The most recently closed tab will instantly reopen. If you press the shortcut again, Edge will continue reopening your recently closed tabs in reverse order. You can also reopen a tab using your mouse. Right-click an empty area on the tab bar, then select Reopen Closed Tab. Edge will bring back the last tab you closed. For more options, click the three dots in the top right corner, then select History. Here, you can view recently closed tabs in Windows and select the one you want to restore. If you need to find an older page, press Ctrl plus H on Windows to open your full browsing history. You can then search for the website or page you want to reopen. Keep in mind that tabs from an InPrivate window generally won't appear in your browsing history. That's it. You've now learned how to reopen closed tabs in Microsoft Edge. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.